Hello all, very good evening. This is Karthik from Raj Cloud Technologies. I welcome you all to today's introduction session for Informatica Data Quality, IDQ and CDQ demo session. Before starting the session, I just want to give you some introduction about the training institute and the courses that we are offering right now. Then we'll jump into the technical session. Okay. Yes, let me start with the YouTube channel. So we have a YouTube channel called Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Training. This is our official YouTube channel. Okay. So if you see here, we have almost 35.9K subscribers, and we have uploaded more than 450 plus videos here on different tools and technologies. If you can just go to the video section, and if you can see here, okay, so we have videos related to Azure Data Engineering and Databricks, Informatica Cloud, IICS IDMC, SAP S4 HANA and FICO training, Snowflake, okay, so Snowflake, Salesforce, AWS, Azure, GCP, Generative AI, AWS Data Engineering, okay, on many other tools. We have uploaded many videos here. Just visit our channel once. If you like our content, if you like our videos, like the videos, comment on them and subscribe to the channel for more videos. If you want to see more updates regarding the Raj Cloud technologies, more updates regarding these Informatica data quality and cloud data quality, okay, so just subscribe to our YouTube channel using the link. I'm just sharing the link in the chat, please. I have just shared the YouTube channel link in the chat, Zoom chat. So please use this link and subscribe to our channel so that you can get each and every update from Raj Cloud Technologies from here. Got it? Yes. And we have an Instagram page as well. That is Raj Informatica. So this is our Instagram page. So in our Instagram page, we will be posting the complete updates, whatever the new courses that we'll be starting, whatever the new things we'll be starting here, each and every update we will be posting here. And apart from this, we have separate highlights for job openings and new batches starting and success stories who got placed from Raj Cloud Technologies and other things. Okay, so we have all these highlights here. So we will be posting our job updates, if we get any referrals, and if we get any tied up companies, if they have any openings from their companies, each and every update we will be posting in our stories. So please follow our Instagram page for job updates. The job updates exclusively posted in only Instagram. Okay, and I have just shared it the Instagram profile link as well. You can see here, this is our profile, Raj Informatica. So we have a 3,000 followers here. So just using this link, I have just shared the link in a Zoom chat. Use this link and you can follow our Instagram page as well. Got it? Yes. So let me show you our website once. So we have a website called razinformatica.com. This is our website. Okay. You can see here, this is our home screen. Just scroll down. Just scroll down. So you can see here software trainings that we offer. Whatever the courses we are offering here, you can check out all the courses here. Okay, so we are offering generative AI, Informatica data quality and cloud data quality, AWS data engineering, Azure data engineering and Databricks, Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud IICS IDMC, artificial intelligence with machine learning, cyber security, Power BI, GCP professional certification training, SAP S4 HANA and FICO training, Python full stack development, Python for AI and ChatGPT, Salesforce and AWS and DevOps. Okay, so these are our courses. These are our courses, and very soon, we are about to start MDM and MDM SaaS as well. Okay, so very soon we are starting here. So just keep browsing our website so that you'll get all our updates here. Okay, and just above this section, you can see here one more section called upcoming free live sessions. Okay, so I hope many people have joined from this option itself today, and I just want to explain the people who have directly got the Zoom link. For you people, I'm just explaining here. So if you want to join any of our future demos, any of our future free live sessions, okay, you can just visit our page here, razinformatica.com. In this, you can see upcoming free live session section. Even today's session also, we have mentioned here, Informatica data quality and cloud data quality free live session at 18th August at 7 p.m. Okay, you can see here we have given the form link, and for tomorrow we have Azure data engineering first session, and day after tomorrow again we have SAP S4 HANA FICO training. If you want to join these classes, you can just click on join now button. You can just click on join now button. It will ask you the basic information like your name, mobile number and email address. Okay, so if you can just provide these details and click on submit, you'll get the link to your mail ID. Got it? Yes. Apart from the courses, we have a few more information as also available in our website, like interview questions on Power Center, Snowflake, AWS, Oracle, IICS, IDMC, and very soon like we'll be adding about this IDQ and CDQ as well. And the free materials are also available on Power Center, IICS, okay, Unix, Oracle, data warehousing, like many other materials are also available here. And exclusively, we offer internships for freshers. So who passed out this year 2025 and who is going to pass out in the year 2026? For these people, we exclusively offer internship programs as well. This is completely about like our institution, like what we are offering here, about the new courses and other stuff available on our website. Everything I just explained you very clearly on this. Okay, you can see here the courses section. Okay, so these are the courses that we are offering. If you want to know more about IDQ and CDQ program, just click on these things: Informatica Data Quality, Informatica IDQ and CDQ. Just click on the page. Just click on the page. You can see here. Okay, the first demo session is starting today. Today is our first introduction class. Okay, you can see here the batch starting on 18th August. Okay, so in this page you can see the complete information about the IDQ and CDQ program. Okay, this course duration is 2 months. 50 plus hours of content will be delivered to you. Lifetime access for the complete videos course. Okay, so whatever the videos that we are, whatever the classes that we are going to teach you, each and every class we are going to record, and we are going to share the recordings as well with you. You can access these recordings for lifetime actually. Okay, so and we are also going to provide you the Oracle classes as well as a prerequisite for this program. If you just scroll down a bit here, you can see here what are the technologies that we are going to teach here, and the course unique features and the course curriculum, everything you can see here. So these are the things that we are offering from our end on this IDQ and CDQ program. At the end, you can see here after completion of this training, what and all you will be ready to do, and about your instructor as well. Okay, so complete information you can see here. And apart from these things, coming to the course price and everything. Okay, so here you can see here. So we offer for the IDQ program, if someone want to go with only IDQ also, yes you can. Okay, so IDQ program course duration is 1 month and the fee is 14,000 rupees. And for CDQ program, the course duration is 1 month and the fee is 12,000 rupees. If someone want to go for both the programs, so the course price will be 25,000 rupees. So this is the complete information about the prices, but still you have some discount is available today. Whoever is staying till end of the program, you are going to get some special discounts are also available for today, only today. So just stay connected till end of the session so that you'll come to know about the special offer as well. Got it? So hope everyone is clear with the information what I have given. And so just to get today's session recording and to get our WhatsApp group link. Okay, 1 second. Sorry for that. Yeah. Okay. So to get our Informatica data quality and cloud data quality real-time project WhatsApp group discussion. Okay. So we are going to share this WhatsApp group link with you. So please share your name. Please share your name and WhatsApp number in the chat so that you'll get today's session recording as well. And also, we are also going to share the WhatsApp link with you. So where IDQ and CDQ people are already having a good discussion in the group. Okay, and you'll get the job updates in this group, and you can have the open discussion about the technical projects and everything. To get this group link, please share your name and WhatsApp number in the chat so that we can help you with the WhatsApp group link as well. So let me take a short 1 minute break. Okay, let me take a sharp 1 minute break and just like share your name and WhatsApp number here so that like we can start the session. Okay, yes. I can see new people are joining now. So please share your name and WhatsApp number over chat. We are going to share the IDQ and CDQ WhatsApp group links to you, project WhatsApp group links. So where you can have your open discussion on projects and technical terms here. So that like you can have some healthy discussion. So to get this WhatsApp group link, share your name and WhatsApp number, and we'll share today's session recording also with you. Whoever is sharing your numbers, So you'll get today's session recording also. Yeah. As I can still see people are texting, so I'm just like enabling for 1 more minute as well. Okay, so please keep sharing your name and WhatsApp number. If you are from a different country, I can see the people from different country as well. Please share with the country code. If you are from out of India, so please share your WhatsApp number with country code so that like we can reach out to you properly on the same number. Okay. If you are from India, that's not a problem. If you are out of India, please share your number with country code. Chat is still open. You can keep sharing your name and WhatsApp number. But now I'll hand over the session to our trainer, Rahul Garu. So Rahul Garu, over to you, please. Please stay connected till end of the session. You're going to get some special offer as well. And you'll get the unmute access also at the end of the program. Okay, so please stay connected. Once the trainer explanation is done, I'll be giving you the unmute access also. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, okay, you are free to text in the chat. The chat box is open for everyone. Okay, it is open for the group as well. So you can keep sharing your questions or something else in the chat also. Thank you so much. Rahul Garu, over to you, please.
So hi everyone. So my name is Rahul. So I'm the trainer for this CDQ and IDQ. So just to give a brief introduction of me. So I have a total of 11 years of experience working in IT, still working. So as a part-time, I give real-time experience training on the CDQ and IDQ. So if I have to summarize my summary, I started with Power Exchange, Power Center, Data Quality, CDQ, IDQ, and apart from I take care of MDM, CDI, CI, and SS. So these are all my topics which I am aware of it. I work on it. So I'll be leading this session of training in which I'll be covering if I am talking about IDQ perspective. So before I start, I want to know who is a technical IT person and who is a non, means they are planning to move to a technical. If you guys can raise your hands, it will be good to just say anyone. Okay, so before I start, because if you are technical, you know why we need data quality. What is the importance of data quality is. So I'll start with a basic, the way industry works. If you compare anything like supposedly, if you want to talk about AI, ML, anything, everything works with data. If your data is not correct, then your end output won't be good. Supposedly, if you are using your ChatGPT, right? ChatGPT is a large language programming language. So you put a syntax and it fetch data from everywhere. So data is in a correct format to find a match and give you the data. If your data is not of good quality, then you won't get a desired results. So because of this, in current industry, data is a hot topic. And data management and data quality is the thing that derive it. So if I have to say why is data quality? So that's say why is the importance of data quality. Now to handle the data quality, we have multiple tools. If you have to compare about the market leaders, Informatica comes into a picture. Informatica is a kind of a data quality leader handling in data handling, starting from on-premise and cloud as well. So if I have to take on-premise one, if I know if few people may be aware of the Power Center, right? What is Power Center? It's an ETL tool. It's just extract, transform, and load. Now you are just extracting, transferring data and loading it. But what about the quality of the data? If your data is of good quality, your data meet a certain standard. Now, if I have to say what is the quality of the data? So as a industries, quality of the data has been characterized into 6 dimensions. Anyone is aware of the 6 dimension can put in the chat. So generally we call it accuracy, data is accurately, it's complete, whether it's null or not null. Whether it's a consistent. Consistent means supposedly someone name is, you might have seen that someone write their name like if Abhishek Kumar Singh, one place Abhishek Singh. So when they go for verification, anywhere they get that your data, your name is not consistent. So consistency means the way that it's entered, it should be reliable and consistent across all the systems. Then is timeliness. You're storing the data with a proper time frame. If you have to analyze the past and present data to predict the future trends, you need to have your time band attached to it. Now comes out validity. Your data is valid or not. Now, how can you say data is valid? Either data is called industrial standard validity or business validation. So you have to define a rule. And lastly, your data has to be unique. So now to achieve all this, we have a tool called Informatica Data Quality, in which we have a lot of transformation to achieve it. From where we analyze the data. Once you analyze the data, which is called a data quality lifecycle, you analyze the data, then you identify data. So which is called profiling. You profile the data, you identify what kind of data you have. After identification, you do a rule building. After rule building, then again you imply the rule, correct the data. And again profile it to check how much data become good or not. This is called data quality lifecycle. It's a continuous process. Data quality is always a continuous process because new data comes, you have to make it better. And based on the industry standard, right, you have to keep optimizing the. So this is the life cycle of data quality. Anyone has any questions on this before I go into a tool dimension of it? If no one, then I'll just go on this. So this was data quality. So data quality start with a basic, we call it data profiling. You profile the data. Profiling give you profiling of multiple types. I'll just give a standard. You profile the data. It will give you for this column. Supposedly I have a column called customer ID. In customer ID is a unique field. So it will give a field that all records are unique or not record. How many nulls are there? How many distinct values are there? How many null percentage? And apartment values are all integer. It's a combination of integer and characters. This profiling give you a report of this. Based on this, you analyze that customer ID should be unique, but you see a not nullable null values. This is correct. Then you have to make a rule that you should not consider null values. So you put a filter that null should not be considered. You may get special characters. Then you have to add a filter of cleanse that you should not, special characters should not be considered for that column. So these are the basic we do it. Once you profile data, you build a rule. Then your ETL pipeline, you apply that rule. So when data will come, it will get standardized. Incorrect data will get out, and then you load the data. On the target, again, you profile and to check that my data got corrected or not corrected. So when you reprofile the data, you see that your quality has improved. So this quality of comparison is called trend charting. You chart it that this was a new quality, that was the next quality. So this is how IDQ works. Now, if you compare to industries works with data. Take any companies. Whoever, starting from any big enterprises to small enterprises, they do a data in keep. They modify the data, they enrich the data, and they analyze the data. So for everything, they need to have a data in a good quality. So they use data quality tool to achieve the same. So this is basic. I have given the data against reference database, scorecard, dashboard. These are the features. And it's wisely used in banking, insurance, pharma, telephone, and manufacturing. If you see banking and the pharma, the domain, they use too much quality of data because based on Neo data, they offered prices, discounts. Even pharma do the same because on their market research of data, they launch their new products. So data is like a golden fuel for them. And this is cloud data quality. We call it the cloud version of data quality, in which you have almost all the feature of the IDQ, but it's an enhancement feature of it. In on-premises, when you create a connection, you have to create a manual connections. You have to have the install driver, place the driver. If you're using external jar, you have to get it installed. In cloud, it's like a URL. You launch to a URL, you log in. Now, earlier IDQ used to be a product, but CDQ is a part of a IDMC package. Means in the cloud, you have your MDM, CDQ, CDI, everything in the same places. So now CDQ in the cloud plays a bigger role. Earlier, when you had a PC, you can have your own transformation defined in PC. Even you can use a CDQ, you can import it, IDQ one. If you consider MDM, MDM has its own data validation filtration. Even you can import IDQ one. You had an option, you can may or may not use IDQ. But when it comes to a cloud, CDQ is a centralized one. Now, we don't have a separate data quality for MDM, not separate data quality for CDI. We have a now common. So any rules, anything that need to be built has to be built in CDQ and reused in either MDM. Yeah, in CDI, CI, wherever you say it, you have to use the rule built in CDQ only. So in IDMC, CDQ plays a larger part. Though it's a small module, but it plays a larger part. Because anywhere data flow happened, data quality rule has to be considered in CDQ. So if you see this profiling, parsing, cleansing, standard enrichment, deduplication, validation, these are all the features of IDU which has got inherited there. Now we have a connectors which support real-time transactions, Snowflake, BigQuery, Redshift, Databricks. Now I ask how in real-time transactions cloud data quality is helping you. So earlier, what was the rule? We used to have a batch transformation. You have to extract the data, filter it, validate it, and then re-import it. Now in cloud, you can expose your CDQ rules as an API. So when your data is coming from Snowflake, it will call the API, your data get transformation, and again go ahead. So you don't have to bring it to any staging layer. This is one of the advantage of it. So this, I think Karthik has already covered about this perspective of its, the CapEx and everything. Now, this is job perspective. The way I said, if you consider any industries, data quality, data governance, right? These are the parts and parcel of each and every transaction that is happening in today IT industry. Every IT industry is data driven. Whether you consider e-commerce division, banking, finance, insurance, they need a data. And to date the data, they need to do a data management and store a good quality of data. So if you search in market, there's a lots of opening and demand for DQ developers because they need good quality of data and they to have a governance in practice to handle the data. Data securities, data management, and data quality. These are the three aspects which every business wants and have it done. So in this, we'll be covering everything with the real-time transactions, how real-time transaction happens, how real-time data flow happen, and what is the business real-time rules, which is being developed to handle the data. And we'll have a kind of a mock interview questions. Even I'll give you a demo projects, plus I'll give you one real-time scenario project, which you can try in-house and test it, which most of the industries follow. It's a general real-time. I'll give you for banking and one for FMG. How FMG data comes and what kind of rules are being applied. So you can have a dummy set created and you can create a rule to test the same. So the way I say who can join a course, it's for both IT and non-IT. Yeah, but if you're coming from non-IT, you should have a minimum exposure to SQL and Unix. If you are considering IDQ, and if it's a CDQ, you need to have a knowledge about database. Unix is not mandatory when you are considered with the IICS CDI platforms because it's a cloud hosted, so you don't have to log into IICS Unix platform because that is taken care by your admin. But if you are working with IDQ, yeah, you need to have a knowledge with Unix because few transactions need Unix knowledge and job triggering, everything happen with the Unix. It's not an extensive level, but yeah, you should have a basic knowledge of Unix and SQL Server. If I go to next one, yeah. Now, anyone has any questions about the courses, anything? I'll just stop my screen share. Now, you guys can ask a question.
This is Karthik again. So I have just given you the unmute access as well. So if you have any questions, you can text, or if you are comfortable to unmute also, you can do it, please.
Okay, I can see a few questions. data quality is totally different from data governance? If yes, data governance is covered in this course. No, data quality and data governance is a part of each other, but here you won't be covering the each and every aspect of a data governance, because data quality on premise and data quality on cloud is two different aspects. On cloud, data quality and data governance are connected to each other, because you see the reports, scorecards, everything is a governance perspective. And even rules and management is a governance, which will be covered here. But apart from that, governance has few service called cataloging, which we won't be covering. It's a completely governance flows. So anyone has a question? I have experienced in IPS and IICS. Will IDQ help me, or I should go for MDM? Even if you go for MDM, you have to have a knowledge about CDI, CDQ, and CDP, because MDM will take care of your golden record formations, right? But when you create MDM, whether I'll consider MDM SAS and effect examples, rules whichever created is created in CDQ, and that rules is being used there. So your trust scores and everything builds happen on the rules built here. One of them is asset verifier. And one is, so I think that answers your questions, right? Because you cannot have a standalone MDM. You can have a standalone MDM on premise, but if you're talking about cloud, you need to have a knowledge of CDQ. And even on premise, you use CDQ and address doctors of IDQ only. Can you please share steps to build rules in CDQ and how to use in CDI and MDM? So it's, if you, are you talking about on-premise or cloud? Can you just explain? Because if you are using on cloud, so you have to have the respective license enabled, so that when you use in CDI, you can import the assets. Select the assets, rule specs, you can select and do it. Same in MDM. When you create a MDM layer, CDI, you can use in ingress and egress. Otherwise, you are creating trust code, you have option about rules, select rule specs, and you can do it. Yeah, maplet. Now, if you're asking about MDM on premise, CDI and when you're talking about CRS, if you're using MDM, then you should have a same Java version, because Informatica MDM support Java 17 and Informatica IDQ support Java 11. So you should have a Java package and you can import it. It works as a cleanse transformations. Without IDQ directly, we can learn CDQ. Yes, you can learn it. Both is a cloud version of it, but both don't have any dependency. If you know IDQ, so you have a knowledge about the transformations, but here we are not giving that you have a knowledge about IDQ, then only we'll teach you CDQ. We are teaching you from the scratch. So it's not mandatory you need to know IDQ. Okay. Can Maplet convert to a rule? Yeah, you can convert to it. So this is on-premise rule, yeah. But for a Maplet to be used as a rule, you need to have a few distinctions defined. You should not have any active transformations. And you can right click and convert as a rule, and then you can use in profiling. And on cloud, it's a different. Next is, what shall be the path forward from Informatica Power Center plus ICS? I have a 10 years of experience. See, if you know Power Center, if you're talking about IICS, right? So if you're considering IICS, means you know only CDI and CAI. So having CDP, CDQ, it's added. You're adding a feather in your cap, because you know about CDI means you know only ETL, you don't know data quality. Every rule we can use in MDM, yes. Every rule specs. When you're talking about rule, you have to be more descriptive, yeah, more precise. Rules are called rule specs. So that is again an asset in IDQ. Sorry, asset in CDQ. Yeah, you can use any of them, but yeah, there's a few cons. Rule Maplet as a rule, if you're using, then you have to have a only passive transformation. Active transformation cannot be used. What is the difference IDQ and CDQ? See, if you have to go on business standards, IDQ and CDQ are the both separate products, but CDQ is a cloud enhancement of IDQ. So here CDQ, both is a data quality tools, both has a profiling, both has a scorecards. But CDQ has a wider exposed, because you are using CDQ in CDI, CDGC, MDM everywhere. IDQ is a standalone tool where you do a data quality, and it has its own ETL pipeline to, once you profile the data, you can correct the data and load it. So I think that answers your questions. Any other questions anyone has? If you want, you can get yourself unmute and ask me the questions if you want more further explanation on any topic or anything. I don't see any other questions. So anyone has any? Can you show one example creating rules, specs, IDQ and CDQ has all transformation like we have in Power Center ICS? No. So Power Center and IICS is, if you say Power Center, right? Power Center, all transformations are there in IDQ, and IDQ has more transformations like standardizer, parser, labeler. You have this key generation transformation, match transformations, which is not in Power Center. You can create a maplet in rules of maplet and import in a Power Center UIs, but yeah. And IICS, right? IICS, all transformations and everything is now CDQ and IICS is a part of the same. So you can use all transformation CDQ in IICS. Can you show one example creating rules specs? So as of now, we cannot show you how to create CDQ rule specs. But as an example, CDQ rule specs is nothing. You are creating it's like creating a rule where you define a policy. If your input is null, then what should be the status? If input not, what is the status? That is a rule specs. It's a reusable maplet, we call it in IDQ terms. And then you can use it in any mapping, profiling everywhere where you, when data comes, it evaluate the condition and show the output. So I think that answers Monu, because I have a whole transformation like we have in, yes, it has more transformations. No, anyone has any other questions? Yes, XML and JSON is the source data. Now, when you are talking about cloud, right? Cloud don't work in SQL format, right? Cloud transaction happen in JSON formats. So whether you load the data, when you try a transformation, it happen in JSON transactions, and Informatica supports XML and JSON source data. What additional transformation in CDQ versus IDQ? It's not additional transformation. The way you have a lib, you had a standardizers, you have a cleanse transformations, right? And you have a merge transformation. Apart from, you had one more transformation, call it case transitions. All that has been made into one transformation in CDQ, that's called cleanse transformations. In IDQ, you have a match transformation. You had a key generation transformation. Then you used to find a duplicate, you have to use 5 transformation in IDQ, where you used to generate a group key, then you used to do a field identity match. After match transformation, you have to apply algorithm, and then you have to do association consolidations. Combining all, now CDQ has only one transformation called deduplication transformation. You can using only one transformation, just join the input, you get the output. You don't have to do any manipulations of it. So it's not whatever you want to achieve there, you'll get it there as well, but it's a more user friendly now in CDQ. I think where will all this practice, Kati, you can answer on this portion of it. Karthik?
Yes, yes, Rahul, I'm available. Please tell me. Yes.
There's a question about this practice and this software. So
Yes, yes. So, hi everyone, this is Karthik again. I just like want to give you some information regarding the schedule and weekly schedule, timings, everything about this. So I'll help you with this software installation as well. Don't worry about that. Okay. So let me start with the complete information about this program. So this course is completely on data quality, both Informatica data quality and cloud data quality, both we are covering here. So even if someone want to go with individual courses also, yes, we do. Okay, so let me start with the individual courses like Informatica Data Quality. This course duration is 1 month. Okay, this course duration is 1 month. So 30 plus hours of content we are going, so 30 plus hours of content will be delivered to you. Okay, and the timings will be morning 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. IST. Okay, as the people are completely working here, so like we cannot like just take your evening sessions. So that is the reason why we are going for early in the morning 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. in the morning, like we are going to take the sessions. Coming to the weekly schedule, okay, from Monday to Thursday, from Monday to Thursday, 4 days, 4 days in a week, 4 days in a week. Okay, so this is the schedule. This is the schedule for IDQ. Okay, and in this training, we are going to cover the complete end-to-end real-time training, real-time projects, interview questions, resume preparation. Everything will be covered here. No need to worry about that. Okay, this IDQ course fee is 13,999, 13,999 rupees only. And in this program, we are going to cover three major real-time projects here. Okay, three major real-time projects we are going to cover. You are going to get the complete data as well to practice. Okay, and each and every session we are going to record and we are going to share it with you. So each and every session, like you can access it for lifetime. There is no time period for these sessions. You will be having the lifetime recordings here. No need to worry about that. Okay, now let's get into the cloud data quality. Okay, so CDQ. So this CDQ course duration is also 1 month, and the fee will be same 12,000. Sorry, the fee will be 11,999 rupees, and the timings are same. That is like morning 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. IST, and here we are going to deliver 20 plus hours of content here. Okay, the same three real-time projects we are going to do here, and each and every class we are going to record and we are going to share it with you as well. Okay, so if someone want to go with both IDQ and CDQ, the course duration is 2 months. See, like our schedule is to start the course with IDQ. Once the IDQ is done, we'll be starting the CDQ. Okay, so each course duration is 1 month, right? So if someone want to go with both the courses, both IDQ and CDQ as well, this course duration is 2 months. 50 plus hours of content will be delivered to you. The timings are same, morning 7 to 8:30 a.m. Okay, so and the course fee is just 24,999 will be your course fee. Okay, so you are going to save 1,000 rupees here. So if someone want to go with both see IDQ and CDQ, the course price is just 24,999, and we are going to cover the complete 6 real-time projects here. If you want to go with both IDQ and CDQ, we are going to deal with 6 real-time projects here. Got it? 6 real-time projects you are going to deal with, so that like you will get complete hands-on experience. Okay, and so each and every session will be interactive and live, the completely live. Okay, no need to worry about that. So this is a completely live session we are going to give you. No need to worry about that, and you will be having unmute access also, like how you have the access today. In the same way, you are going to have the access for the complete sessions. Okay, the complete all the sessions, like whatever we are going to deliver to you. So each and every session also you are having the complete live sessions, interactive sessions. Even I have given you the unmute access as well, right? In the same way, every day you'll be having the unmute access too. No need to worry about that. Got it? For registrations, you can contact us here 8105296858 and 6361638108. These two are the our calling and WhatsApp numbers. You can contact here for our registrations as well. Okay, and this course is completely taken by Rahul Garu, so who is the colleague of Raj sir. So he is also working in the same company, HTC Global Services Bangalore. Got it? So if you want to go with, see, we accept all the payment modes. If you want to go with UPI, so these are the payment details. If you want to go with the UPI payment, these are the payment details for the UPI. And we accept all the payment modes: credit card, debit card, net banking, international transfer, Remitly, PayPal, everything we accept here. No need to worry about that. Okay. So if you want the bank details, you can take a screenshot here. You can take a screenshot here, or else I can share you the bank details as well here. Okay. You can use this for NEFT and IMPS and Remitly. For all these transactions, you can use these details. Got it? So this is the complete information about the program. If you still have any questions, if you still have any questions, you can ask us in the chat, or else you can unmute also. Okay, both options are enabled for you. So I'm not sure about your name. It was just mentioned like R. So see, we are for cloud, like we are going to use the free trial accounts itself. Okay, no need to worry about that. So how to use and everything, like we will help you here.
Format, deduplication, transformation. Do we need to set any configuration for keys? Yes, you can select any column as a group key. If you don't select anything, Informatica will do the same for you. It's not basically you have to select. It's generally deduplication has the logic of MDM now. See, MDM has the option of key generation, index key, right? So that has been incorporated into CDQ. So now you just have to, they have the column of group key, index key, and your columns just connected. It will give you a deduplication started. Same way, result is still the same. Say the driver's code, links code, out cluster ID, that remains the same. And it give you options to have a consolidation as well, which is generally, it's a smaller version of it, but this is, I know industry don't go for their consolidation because they want to analyze by themselves, but it's inbuilt in deduplication now.
Still any questions from anyone, please?
I think I have one question. So what is the current market for these tools? Do you have any opportunity outside?
If you consider data quality or Informatica, if you consider Informatica, if you see 70% of the industry who use data quality tools are on Informatica.
Yeah, right.
And if you see in Informatica, IICS and data quality IDS is one of the biggest product that is being sold off, and each company is using. So
Okay.
if you try to look for a job opening considering just data quality, search with that data quality perspective, you will find a lot of opening in the current market.
With respect to the IDQ?
With respect to IDQ as well as CDQ.
Okay. So what are the packages they basically for entry level?
Now that depends upon the company and the experience. But what we have seen, the way you go for a senior level, experience level, it's standard. It's almost 3 times of your experience always. It's range that goes in the market as of now.
So for IDQ, do you not get any tools because it's a application with the client and
Yeah,
all.
IDQ is on-premise version of the tool. I think, yeah, the way Kartik said, right, he'll be taking care of this.
Okay.
Yeah, don't worry about the software installation things. Okay, so we will be helping you with the complete software as well. Okay, so for these IDQ, like we have a software and we will provide you as well, and you can access it for lifetime, not only for 1 month or 2 months or the only the course duration program, nothing like that. You can access it for lifetime. No need to worry about that. And coming to the CDQ, like we will be using the cloud logins, and like we can create multiple mail IDs and we can create the multiple accounts, like even one after another, like we can use it as well. One or like once it is expired, like we can go with this another account also. No need to worry.
So the CDP and IICS is one and the same or it's a different?
It's a part of the same package. Now we don't call it IICS, it's called IDMC now.
IDs. Okay.
In IDMC, it's a combination of 4 products, which is started with data quality, which comprises of CDP and CDQ microservices, and CDI, and CI is the integration services. After that, you have a CDGC and MCC, which is governance microservices. And after that, you have MDM, which comprises of Business 360 console, Business 360. Then you have a Reference 360, Product 360. And after that, you have admins, which call administrator, monitoring, and all that. All this is considered as IDMC.
Okay, so bunch of tools which you
all
What
so
tool?
all Informatica tools, which was Power Center, Data
Mhm.
Quality, then they had Data Governance, which is Exxon, and which was MDM. They have made it into a common package of IDMC.
Oh, got it.
I hope like everyone have dropped your name and WhatsApp number. So if you haven't dropped it yet, you can please drop your name and WhatsApp number in the chat so that like you will be added to the WhatsApp group and we'll share the today's session recording as well with you. And whatever the upcoming classes are there, like we will intimate you about the next sessions as well. Okay. So please drop your name and WhatsApp number if you haven't dropped yet.
So anyone has any other questions before we can wrap it up? They can unmute and ask. Yeah, even they can type in chat. Any clarification on this course? Yeah, relevance to the tool or market? Yeah, application of these tools. Any questions? I can see a few people who are working in PC and ICS, they will have more questions. Relevancy of this tool with the tool they are working on it. If I don't see, I think it's another 2 minutes we have. If we don't see any drop of messages, I think we can conclude that all questions are answered, and I think Kartik, then we can take it off.
I can see here a question like how much discount you'll be getting like if you want to join for both the course. Yeah, so I just like I just missed this part actually even I haven't explained this. Okay, so if you are going for this course, okay, today if you plan to enroll for today, you are going to get a 10% discount as well. One second, please. Let me explain you about the exact prices also so that it will help everyone. Sorry guys, I just like missed this actually. Let me explain you. So this is the combined course fees and okay, so these are the course price I explained you, right? Okay, so if someone wanna go with both CDQ, so both IDQ and CDQ, after discount you're going to see today's discount is 10%. Okay, you are going to get a 10% discount, instant discount. So to if you enroll the course today, okay, if you wanna go with both IDQ and CDQ, your course price will be it is 24,999 was the price, but you'll get this course for 22,500 rupees. Okay, so after discount, you are going to get this course for 22,499. Okay, this will be your price for IDQ and CDQ, the combined course. If you wanna go with only IDQ, after discount, your course price will be only 12,599. Okay, so this will be your discount for Informatica Data Quality. So if you want to go for only the cloud data quality, after discount, your course price will be just 10,800 rupees. Okay, and I'm just like trying to repeat you once again, this discount will be available only today, and we will be taking only 15 people. Only 15 people per batch, not more than that. Okay, so we will be taking only 15 people, not more than that. So fill your slot tag as early as possible so that like we can start the batch. And today was the introduction class. Very soon like we will start with the batch as well. Okay, so today like this is a completely like introduction program that we have discussed it today. So once you are done with your registration, so my team is going to share the software, so software details to you, like where you can install in your system, how to install everything, like we will share you a video as well, no need to worry about that. and you can access these IDQ software for lifetime. No need to worry about that. Okay. So if you are ready to join the course, you can just, if you want to go with both IDQ and CDQ program, you can just make some partial payment today and you can block your seat as well. No need to worry about that. Okay. So, and this is the discounted price, which is available only today. If you contact me tomorrow morning, I'm really helpless. Okay. So as we are going to take only 15 people in the batch. So please hurry up and make your registration and get ready for the batch starting day. This is the complete information about the discount as well. So I hope I have cleared your questions. Still any questions from anyone, please? Still any questions from anyone, please? I see no questions in the chat as well. So we are good to close the meeting, right? So if you have any questions, I'm just repeating you once again to get the confirmation. If you have any questions, please text me in the chat, or else you can unmute yourself also. Any questions from anyone? Yes, please. I received a hi here. Please elaborate your question. So this is the first demo. Most probably we'll give you another demo actually. Only 2 demos we'll be providing for every course, not only for this course. In our institute, whatever the courses we are offering, on all the courses, we'll be providing 2 demos actually. Okay, so today the first demo was done, and most probably we'll be having another demo. I'll provide you the information about the next demo as well. Please drop your details here, name and WhatsApp number. You'll get the next demo details also. Yes, Karim Basha, definitely I can help you with the the video as well. Please drop your name and WhatsApp number. Okay, so your WhatsApp number, I can see your name. Just drop me your WhatsApp number. You'll get today's session recording also. Yeah, please drop me your WhatsApp number. I'll just call you personally and I can help you with that. Sam, I can see the Sam. Just drop me your WhatsApp number. I'll just call you personally and I'll help you with the complete information as well. No issues. Still any questions from anyone? Still any questions from anyone, please? Okay, Karim, done. You'll get the video. No issues. Yeah, I can see no questions are here. Okay, thank you all. Thank you all joining for today's session. Before ending the session, I would request everyone to just visit our YouTube channel once. So this is the YouTube channel where you'll get the today's session recording also. Okay, you can get today's session recording also. It will be uploaded before tomorrow 10 a.m. Before tomorrow 10 a.m. the session will upload here. You can just subscribe to the YouTube channel. You'll get the link as well. Okay, done. Thank you so much.